Okay, so we are the Lightning Bot group, and for our project, we implemented a Lightning Network node on a Raspberry Pi. So the Lightning Network is a protocol layer that sits on top of Bitcoin. As you guys know, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that's stored on the blockchain. In a blockchain, which is made up of blocks that hold transaction data, each block is linked to each other. And the blockchain is kept secure because each block is hashed using SHA-256, and each block contains the hash of the previous block in the blockchain. So this means that any attempts to legally alter the blockchain or any blocks within it are pretty easily detected. In the Bitcoin blockchain, generating blocks can take a while. It's pretty hard, and the current blockchain is also really big, way too big for Raspberry Pi. So we decided to use a simulation of a Bitcoin blockchain known as SimNet. SimNet allows us to generate blocks much faster so that we can actually test and show different functionalities. The thing special about the Lightning node is that it allows for making fast micropayments of Bitcoin. So when two users open a payment channel with each other over the Lightning network, they essentially create a smart contract, and they can then send as many payments, big or small, across this private channel. Once one of them decides that they're done, the channel gets closed and the final state of it gets put on the blockchain, essentially acting as a single transaction. To connect to each other, Bitcoin nodes each have a private and public key, which you guys know about, how those keys are used. To connect one node to another, we only need that other node's public key, and then we can use that to encrypt and decrypt all messages to that node. We control Lightning node using an app called Telegram, which is a messaging platform. Telegram provides a Python API for developing third-party applications, which we have running on the Pi. And we can control it from Telegram's iOS app. So the Telegram program, or bot as Telegram calls it, can authenticate itself to the Telegram server with an authentication token previously generated by Telegram. So you can see that the bot is running in the lowest terminal there. That authentication token is passed with every web request, and that's also sent over HTTPS, so it's encrypted. So that's how the bot can authenticate itself. So I'm going to show you guys how I can use the Telegram app on my phone to enter messages that are then going to get passed to the bot program, which is running already, and it's going to parse them. So, for example, when I connect, connection successful. So currently we have two Lightning nodes up. We have Alice in the middle and Bob on the right. The Telegram bot is running on Alice's node. So when I say connect, Alice is taking Bob's public key and connecting to it. Now I'm going to say open channel. So we're going to open up a payment channel, as I discussed earlier, to Bob from Alice. Channel opened, we can see over here. And now I'm going to send a payment. So we've already preset how much this payment's going to be. I think it might be like 10,000 units of Bitcoin. Send a payment. The payment is sent. You can see down there. 10,000 units of Bitcoin. I can now close the channel from Alice's end. And now I can get my new balance. Sorry, I guess I forgot to show what the initial balance was, but it will be less than whatever the initial balance was. And you could see on the screen that a certain amount of money, Bitcoin amount, was sent.